how much water must be added to 60 liters of milk at 1.5 liters for 20 rupees so as to have a mixture worth 10 2 by 3 rupees a liter. Now in the question we are given that 1.5 liter of milk costs 20 rupees. So I can say that this is 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 liters of milk cost 20 rupees. So we have 3 by 2 liters of milk cost 20 rupees. So what will be the cost price of 1 liter of milk? It will be 20 divided by this 3 by 2, and 2 will go on the numerator and get multiplied here. So we get the price of 1 liter of milk, which is 40 by 3 rupees per liter. Alright, now 60 liter of milk is there. So 60 liter of milk is bought at 40 by 3 rupees per liter. And in this, plus in this, how much water must be added? So let's assume that X liters of water is added and water is assumed to be free. So water costs 0 rupees. So 60 liters of milk is bought at 40 by 3 rupees per liter. And in this, X liters of water is added, which is assumed to cost 0 rupees. And this gives me the total cost of the mixture. And the question is telling me so as to have a mixture what 10 2 by 3 a liter. So this 10 2 by 3 can also be written as 3 into 10 30, 30 plus 2 32 by 3 rupees per liter. So this mixture, which is 60 liters of milk and X liters of water, so total mixture here will be 60 plus X, and this mixture is worth 32 by 3 per liter. So this is equals to, this is worth 32 by 3 per liter. Alright, so we have got the equation here. Let's solve this equation now. So we get 3 2s are 6 and 20 into 40 is 800 plus X into 0 is 0 only, and we get 32 into 3 multiplied by this 60 plus 32 by 32x by 3. Alright, so we here get 3 2s are 6 0 and 800 is equals to 32 into 2 is 64 and 640 plus 32x by 3. Now this 640 will go on the right hand side and gets subtracted. So we get 800 minus 640 will give me 160 is equals to 32x by 3. Now we can simplify this with 8. 8 2s are 16 and 8 4s are 32. And alright, so we get x is equals to 20 into this 3 divided by this 4. So 4 5s are 20 and 5 3s are 15. So we have got the value of x, which is 15 liters, and this is our required answer. So here option C is the correct one. Alright, now this is one way of solving the question. There is another way in which you can solve the question. It is the alligation trick. So let's see what the alligation trick here is. So the alligation trick, we know that there is 60 liters of water, 60 liters of milk is there, and how much water is added. So let's assume X liter of water is added. Now cost price of milk here is okay, this is the cost price of 1.5 liters of milk. But what is the cost price of 1 liter of milk? It is 40 by 3 per liter, and water is assumed to be free, so it is 0 only. Alright, now both are mixed together and the mixture becomes worth 10 2 by 3 liter, or I can say the 32 by 3 per liter. So both are mixed and the cost price becomes 32 by 3 per liter. Now what we do here is get the difference of 32 by 3 and this 0. So here the difference is 32 by 3 only, and 40 by 3 minus 32 by 3 will give me 8 by 3. Alright, so multiplying both sides by 3, we get rid of this denominator and we get 32 is to 8, or I can say that 8 ones are 8 fours are. The ratio in which they are mixed is 4 is to 1. Now when this 4 is multiplied by 15 gives me 60. So this 1 will also be multiplied by 15 in order to get our answer. So this x will also become 1 into 15, which is 15, and this is the water. So 15 liters of water is to be added. So this is our required answer. Again, answer C, 15 liters is the correct one. So you can either solve it the normal way, or you can solve using the alligation trick. Both will give you the same answer. Only the alligation trick is much simpler and easier to solve compared to this. So this is how we solve the question.